What's going on? So I started putting up these little goal stickers. So what I've been doing is I used to use this thing called Best Self Book. It got, long story short, I wasn't a fan of it. So what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna put up all the stickers up on the wall with what my goals are and what my individual progress goals look like in the individual tasks. So this is just going to kind of show you what I'm doing over here. So there it is, my new goal wall. So just I'm going to flip the camera over and I'm going to show you what I did. Okay, so basically here now what I have is my goals, and so I have my first goal done here. So basically what I'm looking at here is I will acquire 2 new customers per month. So that's my initial goal, and this is for a 3-month goal. And so how I'll get there is these 3 mini goals. So the first thing is I'm going to look at increasing web traffic, increasing leads, and increasing my email list. So each of these mini goals has its own 3 goals. For instance, to increase website traffic, I'm going to do 3 things. 1, create an editorial calendar. Create each week 1 new blog post, 1 new app review, and 1 new video per week, just like I'm doing now. And a 3rd thing is partnering with other creators to help them, which also helps me as well, and also helps our end audience. So that's basically it. So I just wanted to show you that real quick.